Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about control valve and how it works. So let's start. Control valve is the final control element. So anyone may ask a question, what is the final control element, and your answer will be the control valve. In instrumentation, pneumatic control valve is used. Here you can see in the picture pneumatic control valve is shown. Now let us discuss about this pneumatic control valve. Pneumatic control valve is operated by air or pneumatic signal. Pneumatic means a control valve that is operated by a pneumatic signal or air signal. Air means instrument air signal. Pneumatic control valves are shown in the diagrams. Here you can see pneumatic control valves are shown, and these pneumatic control valves are operated by pneumatic actuators. Pneumatic actuator is used to actuate the control valve to the right position. Control valve is a valve that controls parameters. Pneumatic control valve controls the process parameter according to the command given by a controller. A controller is used for commanding a control valve. The controllers may be. Now we discuss about the controllers. What are the controllers used for commanding the control valve? These are PID controller, PLC DCS controller, and SOV, also known as solenoid valve. Control valve is controlled automatically. Here you can see the control valve is controlling automatically by the means of a controller. We are taking an example of PID controller, and PID controller is controlling this control valve automatically. This control valve is controlled according to the set point. Now let us discuss about the set point. The set point for control valve is set by a PID controller or PLC DCS controller. Here in the diagrams you can see PID controller and PLC DCS controller are shown, and the set point is set by the PID controller or PLC DCS controller. Here you can see by the arrow that set point is 25, and the control valve opens or closes to maintain the set point. Here you can see by the arrow the control valve opening is shown. Control valve will open or close according to this set point, and control valve will maintain this process variable parameter. This process variable parameter comes from a sensor. The main aim of control valve is to maintain the process variable parameter near or up to this set point. That means this process variable parameter will be near about 25 or it will be 25. Now we will discuss the process variable under the need of control valve. Control valve is operated to control the process parameters. Process parameter is also known as process variable. The process variable signal is taken from a sensor. Process variable signal is the present value of any parameter that is controlled by a control valve. It may be pressure, temperature, flow, level, etc. So the control valve is used to maintain the process variable parameter at the set point. Now we will discuss about control valve types based on opening. Control valve may be categorized under various ways. As for example, suppose we are taking control valve on the basis of air, it will be air to open control valve and air to close control valve. Now according to the basis of opening, control valve will be on off pneumatic control valve. Here you can see in the animation this control valve is only on and off. No position between on and off. On applying air signal or pneumatic signal, this will be on and off. So it is called on off pneumatic control valve. The other one is percentage opening control valve. This control valve will open according to the percentage signal given to it. If we are giving the command to the control valve for opening 25%, it will be open 25%. If we are giving the command for 50%, it will be open 50%. If we are giving the command for 100%, the control valve will open 100%. So that was our video. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.